Unboxing the Panasonic LUMIX FZ300, the best 4K bridge camera of this year under $500. Inside the box we find the warranty disclaimer, the usual operating instructions and owner manual, a quick guide on how to take 4K pictures and one DVD with Photo Fun Studio, a software that can also be downloaded from Panasonic website. The box contains a battery charger, one lens hood, very useful to protect the lens from unwanted lights. This is a lens cap and lens cap string. Next we have a 1200 mAh battery. Here I suggest to get another battery with high capacity, because these kind of batteries drain fast, especially if you're going to shoot only 4K videos. You also get a shoulder strap with the LUMIX logo on it. The USB connection cable. The battery charger power cable. And of course the digital camera unit, the best budget bridge 4K camera this year, the Panasonic LUMIX FZ300. Gorgeous and beautiful bridge 4K camera. For the price, you don't find better this year on the market with all his features and picture quality. This is a camera with a total of 12.8 megapixels and 3 inches free angle touch display. It has one 2.3 inches sensor, Leica lens with 2.8 aperture and 24 times of optical zoom. It also comes with an external microphone input. The built-in flash is the mounting bracket for an external flash or microphone. On the right side we find the remote input, a micro HDMI and micro USB interfaces. This camera has a splash and dustproof design, meaning that is great for outdoor photography. On the bottom is the place for battery and the SD card. To shoot 4K videos and photos make sure to get a Speed Class 3 memory card. The FZ300 is very easy to operate. Buttons and knobs are well designed and well positioned. And nowadays a touchscreen monitor with free angle is a requirement for all cameras in this segment. An accurate touch control panel, with high resolution that features higher visibility even for sunny outdoor shooting. And what about the high resolution live viewfinder, with all settings displayed directly in front of your eye? And this was the unbox of the LUMIX FZ300. Next you can watch more videos of this great budget camera. Thanks for watching and I see you on the next videos.